What a drive, bro. We're just now pulling up to 901 Garage. For those of you that don't know, I've actually been living in my 2008 Honda Civic, man, just to afford building this R32 Skyline. Me and Yeager are about to make some moves today. Let's see what we got going on.
It's the thuggish ruggers ball. It's the thuggish ruggers ball. It's the
So as you saw last time, man, we got the engine in. I'm stoked about that. Trans hooked up, all that good shit done. I'm hoping today to get the harness in, intercooler piping, and all that shit mocked up. We're about to fuck with the AC right now.
Got that boy Yeager with the AC machine. What's up, man? How you doing?
So when I got this car, they had a bad AC compressor. That's why it's in the towel. We already went ahead and slapped the new AC compressor on there. We're gonna go ahead and swap everything over with the lines, put new O-rings on it. I'm not even gonna pretend like I know, so I'm gonna just ask the person who actually knows. What are we technically about to do right now? Drain the old shit out?
Drain what's in there, or evacuate out the system. So there's charge in it, which is a good sign.
That was actually a big thing for me when I was picking out this car specifically and going into like this little RB20 refresh. I knew I wanted to keep the AC. We live in Florida, it gets hot as fuck in the summer. I was not gonna go without that. And furthermore, I didn't want to like have my dream car setup type shit and not have AC, so had to go all the way with this one.
That was another big factor in going with 901. I knew he had his AC set up and I knew he was knowledgeable on that type of shit, so here we are doing the damn thing.
So right now we have the old compressor off, we have the fittings off, man. We're gonna go ahead and actually put new O-rings on there and slap it on the new compressor down there. We got the AC lines on the new compressor. Definitely excited to be getting the AC dialed in the right way. I really want to take this thing on road trips. I want to meet some people over in Atlanta, all over Florida, out of state trips, whatever. And I gotta have the AC. Well, the machine is doing its thing. I'll just go ahead and talk to you about like some quick goals that I have for the car today. Basically, well, he's building some LS shit right now. So while he's busy with that, I just want to go ahead. We'll get like the intercooler piping. I got like that Blitz kit for the same side intercooler kit. I'll probably get the intercooler mounted, get the piping on, get the engine wiring harness in. That's another thing I can get done. Basically, I just want to get some odds and ends done today, like shit that I know that I'm capable of doing. Just some little shit I want to knock out here and there. Bro, why Yeager just told me there's a helicopter over there.
Hey, there's a helicopter, bro?
Yeah.
I'm literally just in like an industrial lot in Gainesville.
This helicopter takes off middle of nowhere.
Yeah, he comes in. I've been working out here and he flies over and you feel the fucking air from the thing.
You got all these cars, you think you're cool? Huh, I got my helicopter, I'm gonna take off in the middle of that bitch and imagine for a first date with your crush, you just pull up to UF campus in a fucking helicopter.
Look who we got. We got a special guest.
This man thinks he's fi or something. My Eric. We're gonna take a quick Skyline break. Gander at the IS.
Gander at the Ganador?
Never seen another YouTuber with these, man. Never have I seen another. Maybe there might be a YouTuber in Florida with these. I just probably haven't heard of them. Like I said, bro, I am the plug. Hit my line if you want some good, real shit. Real trap shit.
Damn, Eric looking clean. Let's get a fit check.
The jigs, man. 18 by 9.5.
They're a little dirty.
Just like you, sir.
Leave a comment, man. Tell him to paint this damn car. Tell him to paint it. Tell him to drive the Skyline, or I'll beat his ass. Just what are your thoughts on the Sky, sir?
Sky is fine. Sky is fine. I'm ready to crash into it.
No, fuck no.
Hell yeah, man, me too.
Top secret information, this is classified plug info. He's gonna put an RB20 in the blue S14 one day, which currently has a 2J in it, but it will have an RB20.
This man learned to drive on an RB20 car. The same RB20 in multiple cars actually at CFRC.
Back
What,
in the
2008?
day. No, 09, 2010.
And how old were you?
15,
He was
14.
15,
14 when I
bro.
started.
Bro, when I was 15, I was at freaking Chuck E. Cheese, smoking Smarties and taking shots of chocolate milk. Had to get in the mood because I gotta install this heater core grommet, and I just had to get in a very sensual, spiritual mood. So if you wanna see the technique, yeah, baby. Ladies, just because I'm putting on these grommets, I'm not opening your fucking DM. Oh yeah, I love that fucking TikTok you did. All right, dude, let's get this shit on. Oh yeah, she fits like a glove. Oh, it just popped. Oh, and you love to see it, man. Those people just walking by, they're like, that dude's fucking on crack for sure. John, what's good, bro?
It's good, man. How you doing?
Look what John just pulled up in. Yes, sir. Wow, what a legend. He pulled up in the Sylvia with the dog. Shout out to this man, John. That boy, John. And there it is. You love to see that. SR20, fuck my bitch. And we got external gate. Love.
Nothing puts me more in my feels than seeing one of these, man. Just insert clip of my old car. I just miss her, all right?
You get my seal of approval, man. Good shit. You're crushing it, bro.
You know it's real. Gotta give John a shout out from the car account, bro.
Here we go, story. And that's how you do it, man. That's how you get to 69,000 followers.
We're actually headed to my storage unit right now. I got all my parts in there. So we're in my storage unit. That was a good quick trip to the storage unit, you know. It's not a Koyo Red. I'm not JDM cool, I guess. I'm USDM as fuck. My name is UAbe now. It's not even Jabe anymore. Fresh out the box. Woo! Got the Mishi on deck. Had to get the new radiator. The old plastic one was a piece of shit. One cool thing about these is when you buy them, they actually come with like a lifetime warranty. And you know me, man, I curb my cars a lot. I just fucking take L's driving. So that lifetime warranty actually is gonna come in real handy one day when those work wheels meet that curb. That, man, check the drip. That's actually not an M, that's a W. All I take is W's. I've never taken an L and I never plan to. Yeah, we're literally just gonna slam dunk it in there. Catch me on the 3. And that's how easy this car shit is for me. It's literally too easy for me. Literally, I just look at it, the radiator installs itself with new hoses and clamps, man. Got the shroud in there. It's shout out to Team Mishi. They gave me 1% off. So shout out to them, man. Ad sponsored. I'm sponsored, bro. They gave me 1% off. I'm sponsored, man. Something cool that I want to show you real quick. The nice thing about having a ton of new hardware like this, I can go ahead and just grab a brand new 10 mil from here, slip it in there, brand new 10. Shout out to McMaster Car, the plug. And then we have Mr. Dylan. Mr. Dylan right there. And let's get that first person GTA 5 when you're about to hop in the whip. Yes, sir. Dylan just pulled up with the BR-B5s, like a real one.
2 people in that video are gonna know what these are.
Comment below, Rhoda, if you want to die. This car is a good example of how to have simple fun without going overboard. Just do exactly what you need. Good car right here, though. Pretty choice fitment there.
I don't know how to be on camera.
And you already know I'm out here, man. I got my freaking iPhone 6 playing some music. The stuff that I love the most is just kicking it with the homies. Whole lot of gang shit, man. I got Ho Garden on deck. You already know what the fuck it is.
Home garden. Home garden.
Ho, 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 shut the fuck up. One of the most important things when building a car is to have your friends available to help you when you need some help. I know who's helping me, bruh. Fuse box mounted. We got some of the wiring sorted. Damn, why is this dog so fucking beautiful? Something I want to share with you real quick. You know how we bool, man. But you see here, completely factory fuel system. But we're gonna go ahead and install the Walbro 450 pump. This is pretty easy though. You just pop off a little cover here, fuse 10 mils there. And this has like a bunch of 8 mils that you can kind of see that's holding that, pop that off, pop the lines off, and we're good to go. You gotta finesse this thing just right, man. There we go. Here's the fuel pump. It's out of the car now. Here we have everything we need to install the fuel pump. Here it is, the Walbro 450. Got the install kit and everything there. New OEM Nissan O-ring for the tank. Basically, just undo these lines, cut this bullshit off. We're gonna put the connector on that end, and then we will have the fuel pump. Victor was actually educating me on how to use this tool. What are these called again?
Weather packs.
That was a cool experience and something to learn.
Connector itself.
Oh, it just pops in?
Yep. Don't forget the clamp.
By least get your food.
Ta-da.
Here we have the end product. Victor did an excellent job on this. Thank you, sir. We got the connector on, the E85 fuel line. We've got the pump mounted with the new sock. Everything's mint, good to go.
Friday. I think the rest of the GK check stuff. Right now, basically, you're supposed to get a raise in March.
Just got it bolted down with the new seal. It's all tight now. So now we're gonna hook up E85 fuel lines and that is good to go. That's the crusty 30-year-old factory stuff. We're gonna be replacing those. This is the old fuel lines. This is the new E85 fuel rated lines. Gonna go ahead and just cut it to length. There's the fuel lines. Fuel lines are in, just gotta route them up. Clamp them to the sending unit. With fuel lines on, clamped on. Gonna go ahead and put this piece back on. Besides that, the fuel pump is done. But basically just kinda got the engine harness set in place. Kinda got the lower harness hooked up as well. Blitz, 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 blitz. But there's the intercooler core with all the piping right there. Let's figure this out together, me and you, all right? This is why. What me and you are doing right now, how we're just kicking it. This is actually how I built cars for 5 years in my driveway by myself. Cause you're my only friend for real. And every time you tune in and you hit that subscribe, you like, you comment, you tag 3 friends, or if you dislike the video and you report my channel. That's the only human interaction I get, is when I kick it with you. I'm just grateful you're here. Don't leave. Anyways, enough of the bullshitting. Let's get back to work. Got these L brackets here, man. All right, so they look like this. I know they go on the bottom somehow. So yeah, it's literally just get that bolt through there and then be impossible to get this other one on. And it's that simple, man. And look at that, man. Fuck, I dropped the nut. She's threading on, it's money. Appreciate that. Peep the bracket, it's tight. We're all good to go there. Got the intercooler mounted. You know, you just can't beat it, man. All right, I'm gonna just roll with that one. Like, subscribe, tag 3 friends. Like, subscribe, tag 3 friends. Let's go. I love this intercooler kit. This shit is sick. As much as I'd like to continue figuring this out with you, I literally can't because it's raining. Because if I lose this camera, I can't hang out with you no more. And that would fucking suck. So I'm gonna put the camera away from the safety of the rain. Yeah, I'll see you in a few. All right, man. I just vigorously fought through the rain, bro. So I got the intercooler mounted. It's dead straight and parallel, just how I like it. I'd kind of roughly figure out how the piping is going to go. So I think we're gonna modify the pipes a little bit. Get some black couplers on it. We got the T-bolt clamps coming, but not a bad weekend at all. Got the radiator and shroud in. Got the piping all mocked up and the intercooler mounted. Got the wiring harness kind of set in place. Just little odds and ends. I really wasn't trying to like make leaps and bounds with the progress this weekend. I just wanted to kind of come, work on it a little bit, make a little bit of progress where I could. Shout out once again to 901 Garage, Jaeger, Victor, you guys are the fucking plug. Just know I appreciate it. I think that's really it for now, man. That's really all I can do. So I'll see you next time. Appreciate you tuning in.